Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a significant legal battle in Ohio involving former Governor Mike DeWine and a class action lawsuit representing 320,000 residents. These individuals are fighting for nearly $1 billion in federal unemployment assistance that DeWine refused to accept during the pandemic. Let's break down the details, the implications, and what it means for those affected. In 2021, Ohio opted out of federal pandemic unemployment assistance, which would have provided an additional $300 per week to unemployed residents from July to September. This decision has left many struggling, with plaintiffs like Candy Bowling sharing their personal stories of financial hardship. Bowling described receiving only $300 from the state, a stark contrast to the over $600 she earned before losing her job. For many, this additional federal aid was a lifeline during a time of economic uncertainty. The class action lawsuit filed in Franklin County argues that this federal money is sitting unused in an account with the U.S. Department of Labor. Attorney Mark DeWine, representing the plaintiffs, emphasizes that the refusal to accept these funds not only impacted individuals, but also hurt local businesses that relied on the economic stimulus these payments would have generated. Governor DeWine's office has defended the decision by claiming that by mid-2021, the pandemic emergency had ended, and that Ohio had more job openings than available workers. His spokesperson suggested that continuing emergency benefits could send the wrong message about employment opportunities. However, Dan disputes this claim, pointing out that data does not support the notion that unemployment benefits deter people from seeking work. In fact, those experiencing unemployment know how difficult it is to find suitable jobs, especially during such tumultuous times, adding complexity to the situation. Ohio law in 2021 mandated that the governor accept and distribute federal unemployment benefits. This legal requirement was a point of contention in the lawsuit. Interestingly, a change in the law in October 2023 clarified that the state was not required to accept certain federal programs, including those tied to the pandemic. However, Dan argues that this change actually strengthens the plaintiffs' case by highlighting that DeWine's refusal to accept the funds at the time was not legally justified. The lawsuit has garnered attention, and the implications are significant for both the individuals affected and the state government. If the court rules in favor of the plaintiffs, it could compel DeWine to request the funds from the federal government. The U.S. Department of Labor has indicated that the money is still available, and that all the governor has to do is ask for it. This is a critical point, as it raises questions about accountability and the decision-making process within the state government. The ongoing legal proceedings are closely monitored, with the Franklin County Common Pleas Judge, Michael Holbrook, expected to make a ruling soon. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for how states manage federal assistance in future emergencies and hold public officials accountable for their decisions during crises. In conclusion, this situation highlights the complexities of government policy, individual struggles during the pandemic, and the critical need for support systems in place during economic hardships. The battle for these funds isn't just about the money. It represents a fight for justice and recognition for those who have been affected by decisions made at the highest levels of government. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this discussion enlightening, please like and subscribe for more insights into important issues like this one. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How do you feel about the governor's decision, and what should be done moving forward? Until next time, stay informed and engaged.